Now in CSWIP there are three certifications: CSWIP 3.0, CSWIP 3.1 and CSWIP 3.2. So CSWIP 3.0 is visual inspector. Okay, so nowadays people are not doing CSWIP 3.0. In early days people were doing, so no need to go for CSWIP 3.0. You can directly go for CSWIP 3.1. The minimum age required for CSWIP 3.1 is 21 years. And if you have experience in weld inspection, it is good. If you have NDT certification, it is good. If you have experience in NDT, it is more good. Okay, even if you don't have experience and you have just completed your engineering, then also you can start preparation of CSWIP 3.1. It is welding inspector. After this CSWIP 3.1, you can, once you are CSWIP 3.1 welding inspector, then without gaining experience, immediately you can start preparation for CSWIP and you can become senior welding inspector. No need to gain experience in between. Senior welding inspector. Okay. Whereas what I suggest is that after CSWIP 3.1, you should wait for at least 5 years. And after 5 years, when you need to renew your certificate, that time you can proceed for CSWIP 3.2. No need to rush for it. No need to rush for CSWIP 3.2. So you wait for 5 years. When renewal time is there, then at that time you can do CSWIP 3.2. Whereas maximum people are doing CSWIP 3.2 after 10 years of experience. Why so? I am telling you.